Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch A1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the step goal on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the step goal on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mibro Fit application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Mibro Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Let me reopen it actually, like this. And once you open the app, you will see the home page. Now tap on the device icon, and here you should see your Mibro Watch A1. Now scroll down, find the activity target option and tap on it, and here we have the step goal. And to change it, tap on it, adjust the goal to your liking, then tap on save. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the step goal on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.